Hello YouTube. In a few minutes, we are taking DJI Action 5 raw footage to a punchy, polished look. Smooth road, sharp bike, let's begin. First up, LUTs. A LUT is just a starting curve. Think of it as a pre-seasoning. It can lift the image into a nicer space, but it won't fix bad exposure or bad white balance. I'm using DJI LUT at the end of the node stack, so all my creative work happens underneath. I'm not fighting it. If your clip looks too contrasty, ease it back with contrast pivot or write the curves. If it looks too warm or cool, correct white balance before the LUT does its thing. Keep key point LUT equals quick normalization plus taste. You still drive. Frame rate is 25 FPS. I'm running a 180 shutter, tighter than the classic 180 degree. So you get less motion blur on the bike and crisper cockpit details, while the road still feels smooth. Outdoors, use ND to hold exposure at 180. If the road starts to strobe on slow pans, drop to 160 briefly. If you want extra crispness on fast action, bump to 100, but 180 is my sweet spot for everyday riding. So, I keep it simple because I have a life. I drop the DJI LUT on the last node. Instant baseline. If I want a specific look, I drag a favorite still into the gallery. Use still as a reference. Right click and match this clip. Done. From there it's tiny trims only. Nudge, lift, gamma, gain to line up exposure. Maybe global saturation -5. And a touch of highlights and shadows, so clouds hold and the road stays smooth. No fancy node jungle, LUT. Match, micro adjustments and move on. Got a second shot? Copy the node stack. Trim, lift, gamma gain to match the waveform. And you are done. Deliver in Rec 709, high quality, and you are ready for YouTube. LUT as a springboard, shutter for motion feel, and a simple color push for that bold, gamey pop. Smooth road, sharp bike, job done. Drop your questions below and tell me your favorite pick.